right, check out your GPS and head to one of those locations. Alright, I popped some prescription infetties, shucked a fresh cup of the black stuff, and man, I am laser focused, baby, ready to go. So let me get one thing straight. There's no competition for Mr. Faber's network. None. But there are groups of confused people who think Los Santos has a free market, and I like to make those people go away. That is what we're doing today. Got some new guy running dirty cash around town, thinks he's hot shit, so we're gonna find his people, shake him the fuck up one by one. That's how we get their boss out for a little, discussion. If I were you, I'd go old school on their asses, brawling out. Guns will attract cops, and we want that kind of attention today. Hey, listen, one guy alive in each place would be the best strategy. We want them to talk. The sooner this gets back to who's ever running this thing, the sooner we find out who's the boss. Fine! Call me precious, but by scaring these guys off, we're future-proofing our pipeline. And a smoother pipe means better pay. You ever actually seen someone eating at a taco? I rest my case. Mark my words, we're up to some shit with this group. No surprise the shops at Seminole folding dirty cash from time to time, and you can bet these guys are involved.
Oh, shit! Holy shit!
Come, sucker!
Fast. There they goes. Restaurants and Alta see these guys all the time, trying to invest their dirty cash. It's a good place to look.
You asshole! Run! I need cover! Douche!
Listen to me, you little fuck you! You with that fucking DeAngelis prick? I don't know who he works for, I don't give a fuck, but no one messes with my shit! You wanna do this? Huh? La Puerta Apartments, the construction site. I'll be there.
I played it cool with Mr. Faber on the phone this morning, but honestly, this whole thing's tanked my serotonin. I did also take a bunch of pills and matrazos last night. Man, that Patricia's a wild card. But I'm like 90% sure this fucker and little soul is the problem. Alright, he's somewhere in that area. cost of doing business in Los Santos, ladies and gentlemen. Now you better get the hell out of there. Yo, while you're there, don't forget to stumble for some hustle, you know what I'm saying? Loot. I mean, look for loot.
You piece of shit! We got a man down! Now we go to war!
You ain't going nowhere!
Asshole!
One more asshole put in his place. I mean, we killed him, obviously, but I like to think he learned an important lesson in those final moments.
No plans this weekend, unless you call smoking some fine weed and listening to some fine tunes plans.